Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Got a mailbag today, more like local store shopping day. I've been toying around with getting a resin 3D printer. I have a Crowdy Ender 3 FDM printer, but I've been watching a lot of videos on resin printing, and I think it'd be useful in the RC for detail work. Scale, design, that kind of thing, but also for figurines, for D&D stuff, whatever, for the kids. So I've been watching a lot of safety videos, what the potential of these printers they can do. So on the cheap, I went out and bought some stuff to prep for eventually getting one. And maybe I can do an unboxing and review in the future. But so yeah, let's kind of go through what I got. Went to the dollar store, thanks to Uncle Jessy, his YouTube channel, and a lot of resin 3D printing. He did a dollar store video, and a couple other videos on curing and washing the prints, and different tools you can use. He showed off this $1 squeegee for the shower, and he cut it short so you can clean the tub of resin out and move it around. So I got this at the dollar store for $1. Got these paint brushes for $1. This is more for, actually painting. I don't have any paint brushes sitting around my workbench, so can't beat it for $1. In the 3D printing world, in the resin 3D printing world, there's this kind of homemade curing station, washing station. It's a pickle jar kind of thing. I think it's like $10 on Amazon. I got this for $1. And it has, I don't know if you can see that, it has two containers, basically a container in itself. I was thinking about in the inner container drilling holes in slots on the sides and the bottom, so I can put the isopropyl alcohol in there, or whatever I'm cleaning it with, and agitate it by dunking it, kind of a poor man's pickle jar, whatever you want to call it. Got this for $1. And then I went to Target. Was all sold out of isopropyl alcohol. They call it IPA. And I went to Walmart and I got 2 of them. I think they were $1.60 each. I got 70. They didn't have 90. I think what everybody's using is 90, just a higher proof. I'm not sure if 70 is good enough. I'll have to do my homework, but really can't beat it for that I could actually get my hands on it. A lot of people use IPA to clean their prints. And Uncle Jessy also did a video on alternatives to using IPA to clean your prints, and he talked about the stuff called mean green. I use simple green just around the shop. It's a good degreaser, cleaning solution, but he used this specifically to clean prints as an alternative to IPA. I got this whole jug. I think it's a gallon jug for like, I don't know, $4.30 at Walmart. You can get it at some Targets, just like a spray bottle. So I'm just kind of prepping for that. These little mini plastic cups at the dollar store for $1 to do custom coloring of resin or mixing resin or whatever. Thought that would be good. Coffee filters. Once again, got these ideas from videos. Usually Uncle Jessy's a good source. Yeah, just to filter out the resin back into the bottle of resin from the printer to get out big particles, that kind of thing. Let's see what else I got. A cheap dollar toothbrush to clean after a print, after it goes in through the bath of IPA or mean green. Scrub the print for $1. And then I also got another tip, this foaming glass cleaner. From the looks of it, looks pretty good to clean, just doing cleaning after you're dealing with the prints. Cleaning the plate that goes down into the resin and comes up, and after you scrape the print off, you can clean it with this. Kind of general cleaning. I got this for $1 also. And for safety purposes, I have my goggles laying around for, this is stuff I already have. I have a box of nitrile gloves, but you can get, probably have to get more of these. You know, you can get them at Harbor Freight for like $6. And I have a bunch of these shop towels, which are great. I use them all the time for RC stuff, oil, paint, Loctite, whatever. These are great. I get them at Costco in a big, I don't even know how many they come with. Whole big package of them. I think this will be really good for resin printing because you gotta, there's a lot of cleanup in the process. And I have a used hair dryer to quickly dry out the prints after washing them, to before I cure them with some kind of UV light. So that's just kind of an overview of the stuff I got, mostly at the dollar store, Walmart, that kind of thing. I know 3D printing is part of RC from you know, in today's day and age of adding detail. Possibly would like to step into the resin based stuff for detail and scale accessories, that kind of thing. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I got, and yeah, that's my mailbag. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.